so we got the truck pretty much assembled. I ended up just hammering on it and not really filming too much. I'm still having difficulty filming, but I got everything in for the most part. The only thing I have to do yet is the axles and the rotors and stuff, put those on. But I need to also rebuild the diff. Like, not rebuild it. I need to put the limited slip in there because the clutch packs are worn out. I did order those. Those are in the next room. So I got those, and those are going to go in. So that's all I got to do yet, other than putting the axles and the brakes on. But we can go over all what I just did. All right, so this is what I got almost everything done. This is where I'm at. This is where I'm going to call it a day. All I have to do yet, put the axles in, put the rotors on, calipers on, and then run the brake line from the chassis side to the axle and air lines. That's more or less it. Oh, and then I did end up doing that. I didn't feel like filming that because, you know, it's pretty boring. All I did was drill holes in the chassis and then use those little zip tie things. Well, yeah, she's good to go. I didn't tighten any of the bolts yet. Like, actually tighten them down, because wait till I get the bed on and then I'm going to go through and tighten up the suspension. So then that way it's still loose for now. But everything turned out really nice. No complaints. Running the e-brake was a little bit of a difficult process because I didn't remember how this went and it confused me. So I had to go back and actually watch one of my older videos, and then I have to connect it yet under here. So I think I might wait till my dad gets out here tomorrow, because I'll probably be out here early again, and then I'll connect that, and this is all more or less done. So, I mean, I could actually really start it up now if I wanted to. I mean, I couldn't drive it, but I could start it up. And then I did all that so it's not going to leak anymore. So it's not throwing gear lube all over. So it's not seeping out of there. So it's not going to throw gear lube onto my gas tank anymore and make a big mess. But yeah, I wish I could have filmed more and filmed better, but and I'm not sure how I filmed this stuff, but that's more or less it. I mean, and everybody knows how to do drum brakes. It's not that big of a deal. It's just these two clips that come through the backside. Put these little spring clips on there. And then you got your adjuster star wheel, and then two springs that hold the pads together. Super simple. But I am replacing these yet too. So maybe I can put that in my next video. How to replace these axle seals. So, because I'm doing as much maintenance stuff as I possibly can while everything's apart. So I don't see why, you know, taking all this stuff apart and then throwing it back together and not doing any maintenance. So I got it apart now, might as well do it. But yeah, that should be pretty good for this video. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.